Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
What's your name?
Hannah.
What are we doing today?
Drawing with crayons.
Oh, okay. We're actually drawing with Mo Willems. He's doing lunch doodles with, so because of everything happening with coronavirus, he offered to do some daily drawings. So we're going to be doing the lunch doodle with Mo Willems. And you can actually access it on kennedy-center.org/education/Mo Willems right there. I'll also put the link on the YouTube video in the description. So what we're gonna do is, you can watch the video, but we're actually gonna be skipping forward and actually just drawing with him. All right, Leanna?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's watch the YouTube video and then we'll draw what we see.
My theme is going to be creatures with a lot of legs.
Let's go here. All right, so it looks like he draws a circle with some eyes and a body, some feet. Okay. All right. Some feet and a tail, some eyebrows. What else? He changes markers. Okay, so let's go fast forward. Let's look at the picture he drew. Let's look at the picture he drew.
This is my
Okay, so that's our picture, right?
Yeah.
So let's try to draw that. We're gonna use whiteboard. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm drawing dots.
Well, let's erase this real quick and let's draw. All right, let's draw Mo Willems, okay? You're gonna follow me? Okay, first, let's look at the picture real quick. See, the head's like a circle, so let's do a circle for a head. Can you draw a circle for the head?
Okay.
Circle for the head. Is that right? It's kind of right. And he draws a beak, right? He draws a beak. You want to put this more to the left. Put this more to the left, like right here. Like that. All right? And then he draws a beak. Let's draw a beak. 2 beaks. 1, 2. Can you draw your beak? Draw your beak. 1,
2.
Very good.
I don't like it.
All right. And then what are these, Leanna? What are these? What are those?
Blue.
What are those? Eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Seems like eyes. So let's do some eyes. There's like hump and another hump.
Uh-oh. Look, Daddy.
It's okay. It's okay. So draw some eyes. Draw some eyes up there. Draw some humps.
Huh?
Oh, here, look at Daddy. Draw the eyes like that. 1, 2. Okay.
I draw a big one.
Yeah. So now he draw some pupils. Like this. So let's draw some pupils. Can you draw some pupils? Can you draw some eyeballs? Draw some eyeballs in your eyes like this?
I keep like this. Boop,
Okay.
boop, boop.
But that's not where the eyes are. You have to put over here where the eyes are.
Oh, boop, 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 boop. I show him the eyeballs. Boop, 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 boop.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now he also drew a body. See the body that came from the head? So look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Ah.
You draw a body like this, and you come from the head like this. Oh, that's bad. Draw your body. Draw your body from the head.
Why?
There you go. All right. Now we draw some feet. They look like backwards L's, right? They look like backward L's. Oh, it's okay. Just push away. Yeah. So draw feet to look like backward L. You know how to draw L, but you have to go the other direction, like backwards. You have to go the other direction. Backwards L's.
Backwards L's.
Mm-hmm. Are you doing it? Okay. And then we draw some... It looks like he changes... Oh, we gotta draw the tail. Draw the big tail on the butt. Draw the tail. Okay.
Peas.
And now we have to draw some stripes. Let's draw some big stripes. What color is the stripes? What color is the stripes?
Blue.
Blue. Blue?
Yeah.
The stripes are blue?
Yes.
Okay. If you want blue stripes, we can do blue stripes.
Big. Okay, blue stripes.
Let's do blue stripes.
Okay, I can do blue stripes.
Mm-hmm. Let me do where the tail is. Okay. If you want to change the blue, you push the blue color and you can draw stripes like this.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sorry everyone, my daughter had to get a juice break. So, continuing forward, we're gonna keep moving on. And let's see. What are those, Leanna? What are those? Looks like hair on the feet, huh? Let's draw some hair on his feet. What color you want me to do his hair? My bug's hair.
Rainbow.
Rainbow? Oh, I do have rainbow. Let's do some rainbow hair. Like that. Okay. How does everyone else's look? Okay. So, looks like his beak. What color is the beak? Huh? What color is his beak?
I want to pretend his beak is a rainbow.
Rainbow. Okay. A rainbow beak. Let me see if I can make that. Rainbow beak. Okay, looks pretty cool. I like that. And what color you want to do with eyeballs?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, let's do blue. 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 And eyebrows? And
I want to put his eyebrows green.
oh, you want to change it to green? Okay, we can do that. Green eyebrows. And what color cheek? He has a blue cheek. What color you want his cheek?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Rainbow too. Ooh, you like rainbow, huh? Who likes rainbow? You guys like rainbow?
Rainbow blue.
Rainbow blue. Look at that. That's a cool color, huh? That's a cool looking bird with a tail. Okay. So it looks like we're there. You wanna do something else? Let's draw some scenery around him. Yeah. Okay, oopsie. And let's actually draw him. And what kind of, you want to draw him in an ocean, or you want to draw him in a forest or grass? What do you want to draw?
I'll draw him on water.
Water? Like this?
No, I want like this.
What's he hitting on his head?
Water.
Oh, water's hitting his head like rain. Like water droplets falling on his head.
Put water on his head.
That's a good idea. Hey, but where does rain come from?
come from Texas.
No. You need something to whenever the
Umbrella.
No. Where does the rain fall from? The sky, right? What's in the sky that it falls from? We talked about this. Starts with a C.
Something.
Starts with a C.
What?
No.
Cloud.
Clouds. And if the clouds are light or gray, that's if it rains. Which one?
Gray.
Gray clouds, right.
And
So,
white clouds is the sun comes. See?
Mhm.
Here's the breed.
so we'll draw some gray clouds. And is there a sun? You want to draw a sun?
Ah! The wow, so paper maker. Yeah.
Draw a sun. I think we're done.
Yeah,
we're done with this. What do you guys think?
Good.
You like it?
Do you like this one?
I do like it.
It's
Do you guys like it too?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at hers. Let's take a look. Wow.
Look at mine. It was trying hard.
So thank you everyone for watching. This again is Mo Willems, Lunch Doodle with Mo Willems. He's doing episode 1, and he's going to continue doing this during.
And if you see it next time, just put on subscribe.
Oh, you saying please subscribe?
Yeah.
Oh.
Please subscribe.
So if you like this video, like it. If you want to see anything else, let me know.
Or you can sound everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You can
Wave to the camera right here.
Bye-bye.
No, the camera right here.
Bye, everybody. You can see you next time. You can watch again tomorrow.